This is a parcel I posted, I think it was on the 4th of June from Perth to home. Alright, so I'm going to open it up with a Stanley knife. Okay, so we have my Camelback. I have a GoPro camera in there. I have a drone in here. I have an Insta360 camera in here with batteries. I have a security train for a motorcycle. I have a mouse for my computer. This is cables for my laptop computer in there. First aid kit. Right, this is an army green hoochie, or a army tent that I used to wrap up the laptop. I wrapped it inside this black towel. There's my laptop. And I also had this bit of foam that I use for padding for the laptop. And the last item, oh no, what else have I got? Now this is a little bag that you unzip and it becomes like a little carry bag, little mini backpack, I guess. That's that. And this is a summer motorcycle jacket which I shipped home. Didn't need it because it was winter time over there. Alright, so that's it unpacked, and I'll connect up the computer and have a look at the cameras and see if anything works or not works. They all worked on shipping. It was stuff that I packed and shipped home because I just wasn't using it on my motorcycle trip. Alright, so that'll do for now.